Hello, Hargan subscribers. Oh yeah, if I want to upload, I need this Boat Super 4G. Thanks to Boat Super 4G, I can upload my video. Oh yeah, and forgot if mm, I'm got no this, I will got no upload video. And this is my boat. Yup, it's boat. And thanks to Boat Super 4G 3D.
Coba ini, Pepsodent
Yup,
Sensitive Expert.
he is the best. He is make the Wi-Fi. This thing can go to anywhere. So,
Pepsodent Sensitive Expert.
with Boat Super 4D, you can go anywhere with YouTube. And bye-bye, Harga subscribers. Bye-bye. Bye.